Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will dive into a complete Brevo tutorial for 2023, especially focusing on email marketing for beginners. Get ready to master the art of effective email marketing step by step as we guide you through this comprehensive tutorial. So if you're looking to boost your marketing game, you've come to the right place. So let's begin. First thing is sign up to a Brevo account. You can simply go to your web browser and go to www.brevo.com. And here you can see that one of their features is email marketing. So all you have to do is you can actually click on sign up for free. But before anything else, you can actually browse into their different products, so their features, pricing, as well as resources. So when you click on email marketing as one of their offers or features rather, this will show you how it works. So they deliver the email, and then your contact list will be able to view that email marketing that was sent to your contacts. And then once the link is viewed from their email, that would count as one of your potential customers into your website or into your store. So from here, what you can do is sign up using your Google or Apple account, or you can just simply type in your email address and create your password in order for you to create your own Brevo account right here. So first here is you can type in your Google or Gmail account, or yes, your Google account here. But instead of doing that, let me just type in my email, and then I'll type in or create a password where it should be at least 8 characters long. There's a few verifications, and once you click on next or confirm, you will see that your email address needs to be verified. So you just go to your email, and then there will be an option for you to confirm your email on the email that Brevo has sent. So from the email that they sent you, you will need to fill out informations like your personal information, your business information, and a lot more. But we'll tackle that later on. I'll just need to verify here. So now that I have confirmed my email, you can see that the first thing that they will ask is your first and last name, the name of your company, and the website. And then just click on next. And the next information is your company's address. So this is just for an example. You can choose your country, the zip code, what city you're in, and your address. So when you click on next, they will ask for information about your business. How many people are in your team and how many contacts do you currently have? They're asking if do you sell online, and if you want to receive any product updates from Brevo, you can untick that box. But if you don't want, you can make sure that you check that box. So the next thing here is they will validate your phone number. So make sure that your phone number is working, since Brevo will send a verification code into the phone number that you have registered or provided here with Brevo, and that verification code will allow you to create or to successfully create your own Brevo account. So if ever you haven't received any codes yet, you can go ahead and resend the code, or if you want to modify the phone number, you can click on modify phone number, and then you can change the phone number, and then they will resend the verification code to that phone number that you have changed. So now that I have provided the verification code, you can see that they will prompt you with the different plans that they offer. But since we are for beginners, or this is for beginners, we will just start or continue with the free plan that they offer, where this just cost $0 or this is just for free. So this is how it would look like once you are at the home page or your Brevo dashboard. And now that we have created your Brevo account, the first or next thing that we will do is create your contact list so that you will be able to start your email marketing. So you can simply go to your contacts that's on the left side of your screen right here. And either you can import contacts or you can create a contact manually. So for example, I currently have one contact right here. You will see that it's an email. And what we can do is, for example, we will import a contact. You click on the import contacts button, and it will provide you the different types of file that you can save. Either that file could be a CSV, an Excel file, or even a text file. Or you can also copy and paste the datas from your Excel file as well. But here, I'll just create a contact manually. Just click on create contact, and you just need to fill out details like inputting the email, the last name, first name, phone number, but that could be optional. And then you can add a detail or where you want that contact to be added, either from your general contact list or you want it to a specific folder that you are creating here. So let's say you are creating a contact list for a client, you can definitely, or that folder, contact folder would come in handy in the future. So here, I just created a new contact, and you can actually look into the new contact that we've added into the load list or segment, and there's a drop down button right there, and then you can view the folders there. As you can see, it's at the your first folder, and then you can see that there is your first contact there as well. So here it currently shows the one existing contact that I had earlier. And all we have to do is just go to the segments, and then here you'll be able to see all the contacts that I have from the first one and the second one that we just added manually into your account. But if you do have files already, like your Excel files with all of the contacts of your um, potential customers, like the email address, you can definitely just import that so that it would be easier for you. So now that we have imported the context, you can actually go to your segments. You can even create your forms, and you can even set the context settings so that you will be able to personalize rather your contacts here on your Brevo account. So you can have attributes and a lot more. So here, now that we have created a contact, next is we will create the email campaign or email marketing. All you have to do is go to campaigns, that's on the left side of the screen, and just click on email. Since this tutorial is basing on email, you just need to click on email and then just wait for it to load up. And then it will provide you different steps on how you'll be able to create your own email campaign. So here, when you go to email campaigns, it may show as blank at first since this is a very new account. All you have to do is click on the button right here at the right side where you can create a new email campaign. And then when you click on that button, it will redirect you to another page wherein you will be setting up the campaign name. So let's say what the campaign is about. So let's say it's discounts or promos, limited offer. You can definitely create that email campaign depending on what your campaign is about. So this is just for a demo, so I'll just type in test only. And then the next thing here, as I mentioned earlier, it provides you the different steps that you need to complete so that you will be able to schedule your own campaign. So here, first thing is where the campaign is from. So you can see here that it is from your Brevo account. So here you can set up who these campaigns will be sent to. So you can just click on the send to box, and then you will have an option here where you have the folder for your first list. And then what you can do here is just click and save. And there's a limit for free plans here. It only offers 300 emails for this account. So the next thing here is create the subject. So whenever your potential clients will receive the email, this is what will, this is how it will be shown, or this is how they will be able to preview your email. So here you can add the subject line. So this is like the main or the highlight of your email. And then you can just add a preview text, whether it could summarize or just a brief explanation on what that email is about. So you can even use AI with this as well. So, for example, you want to create a catchy um, subject so that your clients or potential clients will be engaged and they will be curious on what this email is about. So you have more chances of your email to be clicked and to be viewed by your potential clients, and there's higher chances that your link will be clicked as well. And once you have done, or once you have created the subject, just click and save. And the next thing that you will do here is you will create your template for your email campaign. So you have a lot of templates here. You have default. If you're selling a product or if you're just telling a story, you have that option. But you can just use default. You have the option to preview that template that you have. And then once you want to go with that, you just click on use template button. And then it will redirect you to another page where you will be editing that template. So you can add your own logo, you can add your own photos, you can modify the design or the layout of your campaign. So we just wait for this to load up. This may take a while. Here, so as you can see on the left side panel of the screen, you'll be able to view the content. This is the tools and the buttons that you can incorporate into your template or into your campaign design. So here you can just exit, click on the exit button. Here you can see the where this is where you can modify the informations like your headline, your logo. So you can just hover your mouse, and then if you want to edit that specific part, you can just click on the text or that button, and then you will have the option to modify the content. So you can add a link, you can add a file, you can copy, and then you can basically do anything that you may like here. So for example, I will add this photo, but as you can see, it only caters 5 MB limit for a photo. So make sure that you comply to that as well so that you'll be able to successfully upload your own photos. As you can see here, they actually have an option as well to create your own photo. They have templates for you to choose from, and then you can just modify the color, the text within it, and just wait for the editor to load up so that you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. Here, as you can see, the text, if the text does not go or in line with your campaign, you can definitely modify that. And if the image does not match, you can definitely modify that with the editor as well. So once you're done, you can just click on save and edit. And then as you can see here, the image has now been placed into our campaign. And if ever you don't like this part of the campaign to be part of it, you can just go ahead and hover into the image, click on it, and then you will be able to see that there is a delete or a trash icon. You can definitely delete that specific part where you can add the image. Then when you click on that box as well, you have the option to move it around depending on where you want to place it into your email campaign. So here you can see when you click on get started, that's the time where your potential clients will be redirected into your email campaign or into your website or whatever that is. So once you done, you can go ahead and click on save and edit. And as you can see, with all the campaign that you're creating here, it has now been checked. As you can see, there is a green circle with a check mark on it. That means that you are now ready to schedule your campaign. Now that you have complied to everything, you can just click on schedule. You can either send the campaign now, you can send it later, or you can send at the best time. But you just, for me here, I'll just click on send now and then wait for it to load. And then all of your informations, like the things that we've done, like the email campaign that we've created, it will now be added, or it will now be sent into our contact list. And this is how it would look like. That's how the email campaign would look like once your customers or your clients will open the email that you've sent them. And that's basically it. Hope you've learned a lot with this tutorial, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And thank you for watching. Bye.